Okay, today we are going to do an unboxing from Proper Cloth. I just got a brand new shirt in the mail, so let's go. All right, so here we go. Here's the unboxing from Proper Cloth. I just got this today. I was very excited. And in fact, I think from the time I ordered it till I got it, maybe was 2 weeks, which is a lot faster than the custom shirts I got before. That was like 6 months. I've cut the tape already. Nice box. Ooh, Proper Cloth. Cool. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, a thank you. Oh, thank you. And I think this just has all the return envelope stuff in. Ooh, nice, nicely wrapped. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. Custom shirt. Has my name on it. Order. UPS. Looks good. Just what I ordered. The collar, cuffs. Nice. All right, let's open it. Wow. This is fancy. Okay. Hey, let's try it on. Doesn't it look good? Like and subscribe for more.
Goodbye.